It's April 15th, 7 in the morning, and the Get My Payment tool is live on the IRS website. Link down in the description below. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use the tool, who it's best for, and we're going to do a walkthrough. I'll show you step by step what to do. So I want to get this done as fast as possible because once America finds out about this, the site is probably going to crash. So we're on the site right now. It's irs.gov/coronavirus/get-my-payment, or just click the link down in the description below. So this is for if you filed your taxes in either 2018 or 2019. If you didn't file your taxes, so if we look here, didn't file a tax, you're going to go to the non-filer payment, which is on the site as well. I'll put a link to that as well. So before we get started, this is the way, so it's according to the IRS, this application will give you information about your payment status, payment type, whether we need more information from you, like bank account information. So if you filed your taxes, you got a paper check, and you want to change it to direct deposit, this is the tool for you. If you want to see when your payment is coming, this is the tool for you. So if you file taxes 2018, 2019, this will most likely benefit you. So let's dive right in. We're going to go to Get My Payment. Now this is just saying it's an authorized system, and they're monitoring you, and they have the right, there is no right to privacy in this system, unauthorized use. So basically, you're giving up all your rights by going through this, more or less. I'm just joking. But you have to do this. You have to press OK. So now I'm going to blur out my sensitive information. Unlike the non-filers portal, you could just type in a bunch of random information and go through the whole thing. I have a walkthrough on that down in the description below. But this, I actually have to type in my real information. So I'm just going to blur this out, see what happens. We're doing this together live, so not sure what will happen here. All right, typed in my information. Let's click continue. Once I typed in my social, my birthday, and my address, it took me to this, and it says you are eligible for this payment. Direct deposit is the fastest way, so I'm going to enter in my bank information. Let's see, let's click this. Once you plug in that information, it's going to bring you to this page asking about your bank account information. So it's just going to have some additional information just to verify that it's you, and information that you would most likely have for security purposes, which I think is great. So additional verification information. So this part is asking for your adjusted gross income. If you filed your 2019 tax return, then you would put that information there. I didn't, so then that means I would put my 2018 tax return here. So you put that number. If you're not sure where to find your adjusted gross income, if we look here, it's line 8B on your 2019 form on a 1040 or 1040 SR, or line 7 on a 2018 1040, or there's a few other lines. You could pause this right here if you filed a 1040 EZ, 1040 NR, or any of these if you need to find your adjusted gross income. Plug that information in, then it's going to ask you whether or not you had a refund with your taxes or if you owed money. You put in whether or not you did either one, and then you're going to put the amount of how much you owed or how much you got a refund for. Now this part is probably the best part, and the part we've all been waiting for, direct deposit information. So you want to put whether or not you have a savings or checkings account, because this is how you're going to receive the money the fastest way possible. If you don't have direct deposit, it could take months. They say up to 5 months, 20 weeks until you receive your check. But also, we're not accounting in how long with the pandemic if mail will actually be delayed or anything like that. So direct deposit, really important. You're gonna get your routing number. So if you have a check, you're not sure where to find your routing number, it's on the bottom of the check here. And then if you need your bank account number, it's on the bottom of the check here as well. And if you have an online account, online bank account, you could find it in there. If you're not sure where to find it in your online bank account, you can just go to the search button and type in routing number, bank account number, and it'll guide you there. Make sure that all this information is correct. Once you type that in, then you're gonna click submit. I didn't put any information here yet, but then it'll take you to the next step. For more stimulus check update videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe the video. So hopefully this works for you and you're able to update your direct deposit information and get your check as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments below if you received your check already or how your process was with using the Get My Payment tool. And if you want to watch more videos on stimulus check updates, you could click either one of these videos over here, and I'll see you in the next video.